Hi, I am Nasir Mahmood with a new video of indices and standard form. In this video, we are going to solve question number 9, part E and F, page number 97, and the book is syllabus D3. Okay, this is syllabus D3, 7th edition, and we are going to solve question number 9E and 9F. Now see, this question has two brackets. Okay, so these two brackets have power over them, so these powers will be eliminated first. Okay, and by eliminating this power we can open the bracket. Okay, now see, 3 to the power 2 will become 9, so we have to write 9 here. G minus 6, H minus 2. Okay, so this bracket we have removed. This is 9 G6 H2. Okay, minus 2. Now over here we have minus. When it will be under the influence of a square, it will become plus. 4 4s are 16, so we have to write 16 here. G to the power 6 and H to the power minus 4. Okay, right? Now 9 into 16, coefficients will be multiplied. G is minus 6 plus 6, H is minus 2 minus H. Okay, this is the product law that we are applying over here. Now when we will multiply 9 with 16, we will get 4. 9 6 is 54, 5 here and 14, so it is 144. And G 6 minus 6 is G0. Over here we have H minus 6. Okay, so 144 G0 and H minus 6, so we have 144. This will become 1, and because we have to convert this thing into positive indices, that 6 will go down. Okay, so 144 upon H6 is going to be your answer. Okay, let's check this answer from the book. Question number 9E. This is 9E, 144 upon H6. Answer is correct. Now I'm explaining this question again. Please pay attention. There are two brackets here. One bracket with power 2. So 3 square will give you 9, and G minus 3, G minus 3 G minus 3 is G minus 3 will be multiplied by 2, it will give you minus 6, and H minus 1 will be multiplied by 2. Okay, so that's it. We have okay. Now it is clear. See, it was a little bit blurred, so I refreshed it. It is clear. I hope it is visible now. See, this is minus 3 multiplied by 2 will give you minus 6. Minus 1 multiplied by 2 will give you minus 2. Okay. Over here minus 4 square will give you 16. And G3 into 2 will give you G6. And H minus 2 into 2 will give you H minus 4. Now 9 into 16 will give you 144. G will be 6 minus 6. See, there is minus 6 here and this is plus 6 here. So minus 6 plus 6 will become G0. And H is minus 2 and minus 4. So this will be H6. So it is going to be G0 will become 1 and this H6 will go down. Okay. So it will be 144 upon H6. Okay. So I hope you have understood this question. Okay, now move to next one. See, the same situation is over here. We have to open the bracket first. So this will give you F minus 6 and K 3. Okay. And when we will open this, we will write J6 upon K minus 9. Okay. J6 minus K minus 9. Now, because we have to convert this thing into positive indices, so what we have to do is to shift this negatives to other sides. Okay. K9 will go up and J6 will go down, and this is K3 and F minus 6. Okay. So this is the situation now. In the numerator we have only K. Okay. All the powers belonging to K, they will be added because of the product law. 3 plus 9 upon J6. Okay. So that's it. F K 12 upon J6. Okay. This is your answer. Okay. Right. So this is it. This is the second part that we have done. I'm explaining this question again. Before I explain it again, let me check the answer first. See over here. Question number 9 and part F. This is 9 and part F. Yes, answer is correct. Now let's have the explanation once again. See, one bracket is this one and other bracket is this one. First of all, we will multiply with the negative 3. So it will become F minus 6 and K plus 3. Okay. Now F minus 6 and K to the power 3 will be the final thing over here. And this is J6 minus 6 and K minus 3. Now K minus 9 will go up, it will become positive, and J minus 6 will come down, it will become positive. Okay. Now what we are going to do is to add the values, add the powers in the numerator. Okay. So 3 plus 9 will become 12 and this J6 will come down. Okay. So this is it. Right. So this was F part and this is the G part, E part of this question. So if you have any, I hope you understood these questions. If you have any queries, please write in comments. Okay, I will be delighted to answer your problems. Okay. See you next time with another video. Till then, goodbye.